Activity: Color Surprise. Let us find out how colors can combine to create new colors. Materials: 2 small bowls or transparent plastic cups. Red color, food color or acrylic color. Blue color, food color or acrylic color. 1 tissue paper or paper towel. 1 tray or mat. Steps: 1. Carefully pour some water in the bowls and put them in tray. 2. Put few drops of red color in one bowl and blue color in another bowl. Then stir it up. 3. Fold the tissue paper lengthwise. Then put one end of the tissue in the red water and the other end in the blue water. 4. Observe the changes. Learning outcomes: Children will develop observation skill as they watch the color move through the paper. Develop fine motor skills while arranging the setup. Observe capillary action while water moves through the paper.